Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to walk you through how I use my Hobonichi cousin in an average week in my life and try to use it in a different way every single day. I know a lot of you are probably considering what journal you want to buy for 2025 or want to get into journaling for the new year, and hopefully this will help you make a decision and give you some ideas on what you can journal about. I would like to preface this by saying that the Hobonichi cousin is definitely a behemoth of a journal with lots of details and lots of pages, and my focus for today is going to be the daily pages. Let's start with day 1, Monday. I like to start off my journaling by sectioning off my page. This was a pretty regular, busy workday for me, and I had some work-related and personal stuff on my mind that I wanted to pen down to get it off my chest and relax at the end of my day. So I left a huge section off for my thoughts. It's the start of a new week, so obviously I've got a to-do list for some errands, and lastly a section for some drawing practice. The daily food illustrations are such a good way for me to fill up my journal and improve my art skills. Colored pencils actually work really well on the Tomoe River pages, and I have had no issues with bleeding with the Prismacolor pencils that I'm going to be using in my journal today. I'm also going to be using very Hobonichi friendly stationery in my journal today if you're looking for recommendations for yourself. I use the Mildliners for the titles and sectioning, which are also really great for these papers. Here I'm trying to draw what I ate for the day, which was some chana masala over rice. And I was pretty happy with how it turned out, but I'm still getting there in terms of my food illustration. I'm going in with a micron pen to draw little outlines and borders around the drawing to make it pop. Okay, so for my writing, I am using the Hobonichi Techo 2024 pen. This pen is made for this paper and glides very smoothly, and I like how I can choose from multiple color options while writing. I would say that this page is a good example of what most of my Hobonichi daily journaling looks like, a space for tasks, thoughts, and art. This is the most straightforward, basic way to use your daily pages. I'm using the Mildliner brush pens here to make the outline for my to-do list. I am going to pretty up the spread with stickers from Daiso and washi tape from Mugo Bunni. And that's it for day 1. A very basic, simple layout, easy to replicate in your own style. Welcome to day 2. Today was a special occasion day for me. It was my cat's first birthday, a very special day, and I wanted to have a little memory of it in the journal to look back on. The sections for today are going to look a little bit different. I am once again using my Mildliner brush pen here for the titles. I am using the Canon Selphi to print out a photo of my cat. Isn't she so cute? Journaling is such a good way to preserve memories to look back on. It is nice to look at your photo albums and phone memories, but there's a special joy to revisiting a journal spread and reading the exact words and emotions you felt on a particular day. Today I felt like it was a mood tracker kind of day, so I'm adding one into this page. You can add one every day to your daily pages, or alternatively use your weekly and monthly pages to track this. I was sitting at a 3 out of 5 today, which is not too bad. Finally, I needed a task section again to look back on the next day. No one warned me about how much administrative items an average adult has to tackle in any given week. I hoped that adding a pretty little post-it note would motivate me to get on with it and finish what I've been putting off for a while. And that is day 2, folks. Again, very simple, just commemorating a special day and some not so special tasks, adding a final finishing touch with some washi tape. Very easy to replicate. Day 3, halfway through the week. Today was actually a very interesting day. I went to a Charlie XCX and Troye Sivan concert with my friend. It was so much fun. I wanted to commemorate this by drawing a little poster I saw on their tour website in my journal. Since I stuck a photo on the back from day 2, I was not too worried about ink bleeding, so I'll just be using a brush pen to color this in, along with a micron pen to add details. I had to make everything green as an ode to the Brat album. Hearing this live was a perfect end to the summer. I have to say that my Wednesday nights are not usually this happening, but you can't miss out on the sweat tour. There wasn't much else going on today, and I was pretty tired from the concert, so I kept it short and just talked about the concert itself. I also really wanted to add in the songs that I enjoyed the most during the concert. So I am adding this little section at the bottom to list out my set list hits. If you like the Brat album too, let me know what your favorite song is in the comments below. I'm going to add some stickers and washi tape and call it a day for day 3. I'm super happy with how this poster turned out, and now I have a special memory to look back on when I flip through my Hobonichi. Day 4, almost at the end. With the concert the previous night, I was really tired, and this was a day that needed a lot of structure. Thankfully, the Hobonichi Cousin daily pages come with a neat little sidebar with an hourly setup that you can use to schedule your day. Here you can see that I'm using this today to list out everything I want to accomplish by the hour. I also wanted to try out some fall recipes during the weekend, and will be using this extremely adorable post-it from Oomomo to make a little recipe list for myself. I have some important events coming up next month, so I wanted to have a mini glow up. I'm jotting down a little reset guide for myself so that I can feel my best during the upcoming weeks. This is the beauty of the daily pages. You can use them however you like. For today, I combined the structure that Hobonichi provides with my own things and things that I wanted to talk about. There are endless possibilities for what you can put in these pages. Just adding a little more color to my page because I love to make my Hobonichi super colorful. In today's page, I used the Tombow Brush Pen for the lettering instead of the Mildliner, but I am still using the Mildliner to add some color to the letters. That's it for day 4. Day 5. last day. If you've come this far in the video, thanks for sticking with me. Today is a media journaling day for me. It was a Friday and I was exhausted from the stress of the week. Time to log off, eat some good food, and watch a movie and pretend that I am a renowned film critic. I started off as usual by sectioning off my page. I have a movie review, a food illustration, and a little to-watch list to add for the weekend. Here I am drawing out the momos that I had that day. They were very, very good. What is your go-to takeout food at the end of the week when you can't be bothered to cook or dress up for a restaurant? Let me know in the comments below. Going in with my Micron pen again to add outlines to my drawing. I tuned into a classic movie this day. It was lovely, had one of my dance icons in it, and obviously I do love a good historical fiction, so this hit all the spots. I have made other media journaling spreads on this channel before, but this one is going to be a bit simpler. If you want to watch other elaborate media journaling spreads, please do check out those videos on my channel. My personal favorite is the Mean Girls musical review. I think it turned out really great, and you can look at a very nice drawing of the burn book. There are just so many movies that I would like to watch that I have to keep a list to remind myself. Otherwise, I always say I'm gonna watch something and it never ends up happening. Finishing the week off with some stickers and some washi tape. So that's it. 5 different spreads for 5 different days. I hope this gave you some new ideas and sparked your creativity. Thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this video. Have a wonderful week ahead, and thanks for watching.